Hello, it's David WTI, and I come from a long line of coffee lovers. My family has been enjoying coffee made by Moccamaster for decades. Some key elements for amazing coffee are fresh water, good beans, right ground. Rinsing the filter beforehand gives you best results. This ensures the water from your reservoir goes into the brew and is not absorbed by the filter. Fill up the filter with the amount of coffee you want with the included stylish retro coffee measure and add water to the reservoir. You can choose half a pot or a full pot, depending on how much coffee you're brewing. Techniform started on its journey in coffee making as early as 1965. That's when the company that used to make step ladders made the first coffee grinder available for general public. And just like the Moccamaster coffee makers later, the grinder was made in a way that didn't burn the beans, but perfectly preserved the beautiful smooth aromas of the coffee bean. And here I have it. Beautiful pot of amazing coffee. Every single detail of this coffee maker is so beautifully designed that, as you can see, not a drop of the coffee fell on the hot plate because of the drip lock system it has. This is an excellent cup of coffee, and that is my point of view.